Hi friends, my name is Luminous Peak if you're unfamiliar with my channel. I am your friendly neighborhood keeb obsessed fae, and I am here with another sound test. It's raining outside, so if you can hear any of the background noise, just ignore that. So we're doing another sound test today. This is my AARU TKL. It is the pride and joy of my life. I am a super huge Yu-Gi-Oh nerd, so when I saw this a couple years ago, I was like, listen, it has to happen. My favorite keyboard out of the bunch, just aesthetically, not even just sound. And I had to put SA Ramses on it. If you're interested in the rest of the specs, please check the description down below. I'm going to offer a disclaimer ahead of time, which is not normal for my keyboard sound test, but when I'm working with SA, my nails slip and slide everywhere, so I'm just prepping you for that. It's gonna happen. But without further ado, here we go. This is the sound test.